Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some good news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about the new season of Heartland, as the cast and crew members of Heartland dropped huge hints about season 15. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Heartland is one of the most popular Canadian TV shows for horse lovers out there. It has a fan base in the millions. It is also the longest running 1-hour drama series in Canadian television history, having aired 14 seasons till date. As season 14 is already wrapped up, fans have started to wonder whether Heartland will return for another season. Nothing official has been announced yet, but according to some of the reliable sources, season 15 is already underway. CBC, the show's broadcasting network, is rumored to be making an announcement about the renewal of Heartland on June 2, 2021. However, information leaked from the Heartland cast and crew members themselves strongly suggests that the preparations for the new season is already underway. The union website, where all the members of the Heartland set are registered, has displayed what looks like the start and end dates for the production of season 15. Series lead actress Amber Marshall has also hinted several times that this year her birthday is going to be an extra special due to CBC's announcement. And guess what? Her birthday is on the 2nd of June. While she hasn't officially given away any information due to the constraint of her contract, she was more than happy to throw fans a bone regarding the future of Heartland in a newsletter, which states, "Okay, one more thing. Many have been posting about Heartland season 15. I have news, but not any I am allowed, under strict contract, to share publicly. I wish more than anything I could take you all aside and whisper in your ear. But unfortunately, I do have a boss. And if I wish to keep my job, well, let's just say I do wish to keep my job. I am hoping that by this roundabout way of speaking, you will understand why my birthday will be extra great this year. CBC is holding their virtual upfronts on June 2nd, my 33rd birthday, and they will be announcing all of their show's renewals." With so many fans asking about season 15, Marshall couldn't resist the temptation to reassure them. At least unofficially, Marshall replied to a few of her fans who were desperate to find out news about a possible Heartland season 15, and let's just say the actress could barely contain her excitement. But wait, there is more to share with you all. Danica Pill, who is in charge of props on the Heartland set, has also indirectly confirmed the arrival of season 15. On her Instagram, she posted a picture of a room filled with Heartland props with a caption that says, "Season 15, let's do this." She is the second crew member to strongly hint about the renewal of the series. While not including Amber Marshall, Dale Marusi is now a production manager and was art director in previous season, posted a picture on his private Instagram account, which showed Dale Marusi production designer Heartland season 15. The picture was captioned, "Updating the old email signature makes it official." These sources might have given away a little bit more hint than they should have. Who can blame them? After the devastating events of season 14, we all need something to give us more kind of closure to fill the gap hole left behind by the departure of our beloved character, Ty, or the better storylines to get excited about that will take the series into a new direction for many years. CBC's official announcement is at the doorstep, but we can safely say that there is much to look forward to for the fans of Heartland. The main focus of season 14 has been on reflection and personal growth following a tragic accident. Let's hope that season 15 will bring back the much needed comfort of the Heartland universe. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, news, and updates you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We hope you liked it. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.